Hey everyone, okay, so here's what to do when foundation is just no longer your friend. And this can happen because of a variety of reasons. Maybe it's age, or maybe it's just the fact that you just hate it on your skin. We need to stop treating foundation like wall paint. Trust me, 3 dots in the T-zone beats 30 stripes across the face. So here's what you do when you just hate foundation. With your fingers, dot foundation onto your forehead, then the same on your nose, and about 2 dots on each cheek. And you also want just a whisper of product on the chin, assuming you don't have a beard like me. That's it. It's gonna feel wrong at first, especially if you're used to foundation. Now take a dense foundation brush and glide it outwards in gliding motions, never back in. It's like you're spreading the dots, not erasing them. The further the brush moves, the less product it carries, so the edges stay skin-like. Then grab a fresh, clean brush. No pigment, just polish. Tiny circles, buffing away every brush line. It turns the finish from makeup to maybe she was born with it. Maybe it's Halloween. Just kidding, couldn't help myself. People see skin, not product. And the best part, your foundation bottle will now last you about 3 times longer. Less product, more compliments. So stop painting and start pinpointing. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Subscribe. I need something to show my therapist.